So IntoSight is a collaborative effort between Siemens and Google, and it uses the Google Earth infrastructure to provide navigation techniques to scan through our different regions, enter our assembly plants right down to the level of the work cell, and see in 3D different layers of content pertaining to that work cell. And that can be accessed by users all over the world through an internet site that you log into, and you can upload the content and access it there in one space. The way we're thinking of using it is there's a 2D map of the plant. And over that 2D map, we can add 3D content. So things like standard dunnage bins, the bins that hold the parts, conveyance systems, platforms, right down to the vehicle. Part of the real flexibility of the IntoSight tool is that you can actually go down to the plant, you can bring a tablet or a smartphone, and you can film content, you can take photos, and then you can use QR codes, which are sort of like barcodes. They're stickers that you could adhere to a location within the plant. You can scan the code with your tablet or your smartphone, and then you can upload video or photos that you've taken to that location within the IntoSight software. So immediately users anywhere in the world can go to that work cell within IntoSight and look at the content that you've uploaded. And so I can say, show me every document that's been pinned within 5 meters of where I'm standing when I scan this QR code. And if I'm at a specific work cell, that could populate my smartphone or my tablet with PDFs of a schematic of this heater oven, or it could show me information about this dunnage bin. It could tell me how many parts are in it. It could tell me the weight of each part. I can look at the ergonomic analyses that were performed virtually, and I can compare them to how the job's currently being done to help identify why an issue may exist or why I've been called to this workstation. And to have this kind of tool where people can see operations and how they're done in other regions, it adds a lot of benefit. I mean, you can pin quality items or assembly processes that are critical to quality. They can be appended to these work cells. We can use this potentially as a training technique for operators. Operators can go to the various work cells if they're assigned to a new work cell, and they can look at simulations of how the job is done. Documents can be pinned to that location that point out critical quality indicators. So there's all types of various use cases for this. And of course, having that standardization tool available to everybody, it's going to help with quality for sure.